शिक्षा अधिकार सर्वशिक्षा अभियान सभी पढ़ंतु सभी पढ़ंतु। मने रखंतु आपणक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल रो नाम सुपरस्टार्स एक्सप्रेस। प्रत्येक रविवार दिन 10टा पर ठारू उक्त चैनल खोली नुआ नुआ चटापट स्मार्ट कार्यक्रम देखिबार सुजोग नियंतु एवं आमको उत्साहित करंतु।
आसंतु तेबे नवम श्रेणी इंग्रेज बहीर पाठ्यक्रम में सामिल हेबा। द स्विमर हु डज नॉट नीड हर लेग्स टेक्स्ट टू रीडिंग। पिला माने लाइव क्लास 1 ने तुम टेस्ट 1 पाठ्यक्रम तार प्रश्न उत्तर पाइथिलो। आज आम टेस्ट 2 रे यार प्रश्न उत्तर पैराग्राफ समस्त शिक्षा कोर्स शामिल करिछे। एबे आस पाठ्यक्रम में सामिल हेबा।
They were very worried, said Janaki, and they kept a sharp eye on me during my training runs.
सेमाने बहुत व्यस्त हो पड़े जानकी कहले एवं मोर प्रशिक्षण तालीम दौड़े सेमाने ता उपरे तीक्ष्ण दृष्टि रखिथिले।
I trained for about 3 weeks under the famous channel coach Stella Streeter, but when I told them that I wanted to make a solo attempt, they said they did not have a special boat to accompany me.
सोलो अर्थ एकाकी संतरण करवा, आकम्पानी अर्थ साथी रे जिबा। प्रसिद्ध प्रणाली प्रशिक्षक स्टेला स्ट्रीटर तत्वावधान में मु प्राय 3 सप्ताह पर्यंत तालीम नेली, किंतु मु जेतेबेले सेमान को कहली जे मु एकुटिया भाबे संतरण करिया चाहूथिली, मो साथी रे जिया पे गोटे स्वतंत्र नौका सेमान को पाखरे नथिला बोली सेमाने कहिले।
This was in case I needed to be lifted out of the water, so it was decided that I would be part of a relay team.
रिले टीम अर्थ संतरणकारी दल। मु एपरि चाहूली काले मते जलर ऊपर को आनिबार दरकार पड़ी पारे, तेणु शेष में निष्पत्ति निगला जे एक रिले संतरणकारी दल रे मु एक अंशग्रहणकारी हेबी।
The channel swim can be done in 2 ways. One is the solo and the other the relay swim. 6 swimmers from a team and they each do a minimum of 2 hours of swimming.
इंग्लिश प्रणाली रे संतरण दुईटी प्रणाली रे करा जाय पारे। प्रथमटी होची एकाकी संतरण, अन्यटी होची संतरणकारी दल सहित 6 जन संतरणकारी गोटे दल गढ़ती और सेमाने प्रत्येक अतिक्रम रे 2 घंटा संतरण करती।
Now the other swimmers in the team, mostly Americans, were amazed to see that Janaki could swim, and to honor her they named the relay team Janaki's Maritime Express. Needless to say, every member of the team other than Janaki was physically normal.
आमाज अर्थ विस्मित हेबा, ऑनर अर्थ सम्मान, नीडलेस टू से कहवा अनावश्यक, फिजिकाली नॉर्मल अर्थ शारीरिक भाव सुस्थ। वर्तमान दल रे थिबा अन्य संतरणकारी माने अधिकांश अमेरिका रे जानकी को संतरण करि पारथबार देखि आश्चर्यजनित हो गले एवं जानकी को सम्मानित करिया पे से माने रिले टीम बा संतरणकारी दल नाम रखिले जानकी मेरीटाइम एक्सप्रेस बा जानकी सामुद्रिक वेगगामी यात्रा। कहवा भाविल रिले टीम रो प्रत्येक सदस्य जानकी छाड़ी शारीरिक भाव स्वाभाविक थिले।
The unique attempt was made on 28 July 1992. My fight, said Janaki, in the course of the swim was against nature. The channel waters are so cold that I needed much more energy than usual to keep my arms moving. Then I had the problem of my legs moving to the left or to the right, whichever way the waves were moving.
यूनिक अर्थ रेयर विरल बा अपूर्व, एनर्जी अर्थ शक्ति। एबे इंग्लिश प्रणाली अतिक्रम करिवार अद्वितीय प्रचेष्टा 1992 मसीहा जुलाई 29 तारिख आरंभ है। जानकी कहवा अनुसार मोर संग्राम प्रकृतिर विरोध में थिला। इंग्लिश प्रणाली जलराशि एते ठंडा अटे जे मोर हाथ दुईट को चलप्रचल करने मो स्वाभाविक ठारू अधिक शक्ति दरकार करुली। तापरे मोर गोड़ दुईटे मध्य समस्या थिला। विशाल ढेउ बा लहड़ी सबू जो पार्श्व दे गति करुला मोर गोड़ दुईटी से ही बाम बा डाण पार्श्व को टाणी हुई जाउथिला।
एक विशेष सूचना। नमस्कार। एतद्वारा समस्त विद्यार्थी मानक सूचाई दिया जाउछि कि आपण माने नूतन दर्शक होइथिबारु प्रथमे नाली अक्षर रे थिबा सब्सक्राइब बटन टिकु टिपंतु तापरे सब्सक्राइब पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन घंटी टिकु दबाई दियंतु शेषरे ऑल लेखा होइथिबा घंटी टिकु टिपि दियंतु।
एभଳି କରିବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣ ଆମର ସମସ୍ତ ଶିକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ।
So I really needed a lot of energy. The water was very salty, and when it entered my mouth, I felt sick. And then there were the seaweeds and jellyfish. These fish kept sticking to my body, and I felt very much uncomfortable.
ସଲ୍ଟି ଅର୍ଥ ଲୁଣିଆ, ଫେଲ୍ଟ ସିକ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ବାନ୍ତି ଲାଗୁଥିଲା, ସି ୱିଡ୍ସ ହେଲା ଏକ ପ୍ରକାର ସାମୁଦ୍ରିକ ଉଦ୍ଭିଦ, ଜେଲି ଫିସ୍ ହେଲା ଏକ ପ୍ରକାର ସାମୁଦ୍ରିକ ମାଛ, କେପ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟିକିଂ ଅର୍ଥ ଜାବୁଡ଼ି ଧରିଥିଲା, ଅନକମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାସିକ୍ତ। ତେଣୁ ପ୍ରକୃତିରେ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଶକ୍ତି ଦରକାର କରୁଥିଲି। ଇଂଲିଶ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀ ଜଳ ଅତି ଲୁଣିଆ ଥିଲା ଓ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋ ପାଟି ଭିତରେ ପଶୁଥିଲା ମୋତେ ବାନ୍ତି ହେଲା ପରି ଲାଗୁଥିଲା। ଏତଦ୍ ବ୍ୟତୀତ ସମୁଦ୍ରରେ ସାମୁଦ୍ରିକ ଉଦ୍ଭିଦ ଓ ଜେଲି ମାଛର ଭୟ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲା। ଏହି ଜେଲି ମାଛ ସବୁ ମୋ ଦେହରେ ଲାଗି ରହୁଥିଲେ ଓ ସନ୍ତରଣ କରିବାକୁ ମୁଁ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଥିଲି।
However, despite these problems, Janaki successfully did her share of the relay. She swam for about 2 hours and helped the relay team cross the 36 kilometer channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes.
ଡେସ୍ପାଇଟ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ, ସେୟାର ଅଫ୍ ଦ ରିଲେ ଅର୍ଥ ଦଳଗତ ପହଁରାରେ ଅଂଶ। ତଥାପି ଏସବୁର ଅସୁବିଧା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ଜାନକୀ ରିଲେ ଦଳରେ ନିଜର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ସଫଳତାର ସହିତ ଶେଷ କଲେ। ପ୍ରାୟ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଧରି ସେ ସନ୍ତରଣ କରିଥିଲେ ଓ ରିଲେ ବା ସନ୍ତରଣକାରୀ ଦଳକୁ 14 ଘଣ୍ଟା 45 ମିନିଟ୍ରେ 36 କିଲୋମିଟର ଇଂଲିଶ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀକୁ ସନ୍ତରଣ କରି ପାର ହେବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥିଲେ।
Janaki's parents, Mr. Nagappa and Mrs. Indramma, had anxiously stood on Dover Beach, wondering how things would turn out. We could not eat a single morsel, said Mr. Nagappa.
ୱାଣ୍ଡରିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ବିସ୍ମିତ ହୋଇ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ମର୍ଜେଲ ଅର୍ଥ ଖାଦ୍ୟ କଣିକାଟିଏ। ଜାନକୀଙ୍କର ବାପା ମା ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ନାଗାପ୍ପା ଓ ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ଇନ୍ଦିରାମା ସନ୍ତରଣକାରୀ ଦଳର ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା କିପରି ଶେଷ ହେବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟାକୁଳତାରେ ଡୋଭର ବିଚ୍ ଉପରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇ ରହିଥିଲେ। ଆମ୍ଭେମାନେ ଖାଦ୍ୟର ଟୁକୁଡ଼ାଟି ମଧ୍ୟ ଖାଇପାରିନଥିଲୁ, ଏକଥା ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ନାଗାପ୍ପା କହିଥିଲେ।
How could we when our daughter was doing something so dangerous? For us old people, it was really very agonizing, but their daughter did triumph and become the first handicapped swimmer to part swim the English Channel.
ଡେଞ୍ଜରସ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ଭୟଙ୍କର, ଆଗନିଜିକ ମାନସିକ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା, ଟ୍ରାଇମ୍ବ ଅର୍ଥ ବିଜୟ। ଆମେ କିପରି ଖାଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମ ଝିଅ କିଛି ବିପଜ୍ଜନକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲା। ଆମ ଭଳି ବୃଦ୍ଧ ବୃଦ୍ଧା ପାଇଁ ଝିଅର ଇଂଲିଶ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରିବା ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଭୀଷଣ ମାନସିକ ବିବ୍ରତ ଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଝିଅ ଜାନକୀ ଗୌରବର ସହ ବିଜୟଶ୍ରୀ ଲାଭ କରିଥିଲା ଓ ଇଂଲିଶ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରିବାର ପ୍ରଥମ ବିକଳାଙ୍ଗ ବା ଶାରୀରିକ ଅକର୍ମଣ୍ୟ ମହିଳା ଥିଲା।
After her success, Janaki said, "Although I wanted to swim solo, I am nevertheless happy that I was part of a relay team that helped me fulfill my dream of swimming the English Channel. I would now like to start training for the 1996 Paraplegic Olympics in Atlanta."
ନିଜର ସଫଳତା ପରେ ଜାନକୀ କହିଥିଲେ, ଯଦିଓ ମୁଁ ଏକୁଟିଆ ସନ୍ତରଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି ତଥାପି ଆନନ୍ଦିତ ଯେ ଇଂଲିଶ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରିବାର ମୋର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ସଫଳ କରିବାରେ ମୁଁ ସନ୍ତରଣକାରୀ ଦଳର ଏକ ଅଂଶ ବିଶେଷ ହୋଇପାରିଥିଲି। ଆଟଲାଣ୍ଟାରେ ହେବାକୁ ଥିବା 1996 ପାରାପ୍ଲେଜିକ୍ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ୍ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ତାଲିମ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି।
Janaki, who is a bank officer in Bangalore, has a simple philosophy. I have always wanted to do something worthwhile in life. Worthwhile in life. I strongly believe that the word impossible is applied to something that has not been tried.
ଫିଲୋସଫି ଅର୍ଥ ଦର୍ଶନ, ୱର୍ଥୱାଇଲ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ମୂଲ୍ୟଯୁକ୍ତ। ଜାନକୀ ଯିଏ ଏବେ ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋରରେ ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫିସର, ତାଙ୍କର ଏକ ସାଧାରଣ ଦାର୍ଶନିକ ବିଚାରଧାରା ରହିଛି। ମୁଁ ସର୍ବଦା ଜୀବନରେ କିଛି ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଚଣ୍ଡ ଭାବରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେ ଯେ ଅସମ୍ଭବ ନାମକ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ଏଭଳି ଏକ ଜିନିଷକୁ ବୁଝାଏ ଯାହାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରାଯାଇନଥାଏ।
I wanted to prove that to be handicapped is no bar to success. One can overcome all obstacles by hard work, determination, courage, and self-reliance. Self-reliance is very important. God helps those who help themselves. Lastly, there is one more thing I would like to say. There is really no shortcut to success.
डिटर्मिनेसन अर्थ दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञा, सेल्फ रिलायंस अर्थ आत्मविश्वास, सर्टकट अर्थ क्षुद्र पथ बा सहज उपाय। मु प्रमाणित करने चाहूली जे अकर्मण्य होगा सफलतार बाधक नुहे। कठिन परिश्रम, संकल्प, साहस एवं आत्मनिर्भरशीलता द्वारा जड़े समस्त बाधा विघ्न को अतिक्रम कर आत्मनिर्भरशीलता अति गुरुत्वपूर्ण। निजक साहाय्य करुवा लोक माननकु ईश्वर सहायक होती। शेष में मुझे केवल गोटे कथा कहबी, प्रकृत में सफलता लाभ कर कौन क्षुद्र पथ ना। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन टू द आंसर, हु वाज स्टेला स्ट्रीटर?
Stella Streeter was the famous channel coach under whom Janaki was trained for about 3 weeks.
What does Janaki's Maritime Express mean? जानकी मैरीटाइम एक्सप्रेस अर्थ कौन? पिला माने ए प्रश्नटी परीक्षा उपयोगी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन।
Janaki was the only swimmer who was a handicapped in her relay team. So, in order to honor her, the other members of the team named the team Janaki Maritime Express.
Why was it decided that Janaki would be part of a relay team? एटा मन देखो इंपोर्टेंट प्रश्न। कहीं निष्पत्ति निगला कि जानकी संतरण दल एक अंश विशेष हेबे?
It was decided that Janaki would be a part of relay team because the Channel Swimming Association did not have a special boat to accompany her.
What were the channel waters like? प्रणाली रो पानी किपरि थिला?
The channel waters were very cold and salty. There were seaweeds and jellyfish in the water. It was not easy on the part of a swimmer to swim comfortably.
What were the problems that Janaki faced while swimming the channel in a relay team? इंग्लिश प्रणाली रे एक दलीय संतरणकारी दल रे संतरण कला बेले जानकी केउ सब समस्यार सम्मुखीन होइतिले?
Janaki have to face a lot of problems while swimming the channel in a relay team. The channel waters were very cold. Janaki needed much more energy to keep her arms moving. Again, she faced the problems of her legs moving to the left or to the right as per the moving waves. The salty water made her vomit. The seaweeds and jellyfish kept sticking to her body.
What were the feelings of Janaki's parents when she was crossing the channel waters? जानकी प्रणाली को अतिक्रम करथुवा समय तांको पितामाता का अनुभूति किपरि थिला?
Janaki's parents were Mr. Nagappa and Mrs. Indarama, kept standing on Dover Beach in anxiety-ridden mind. They could not eat a single morsel. For old people like them, it was more painful.
What was the expression paraplegic Olympics? Paraplegic Olympics कहले कौन बुझो?
Paraplegic Olympics was a swimming event held in Atlanta in 1996 in which all handicapped swimmers across the world participate.
What is it you like most about Janaki?
I like Janaki's hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance.
एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पिला माने तुम परीक्षा उपयोगी केतक ऑब्जेक्टिव एवं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन दिया गला। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। इट वाज डिसाइडेड दैट जानकी वुड बी पार्ट ऑफ डैश
A relay team.
द चैनल स्विम कैन बी डन इन टू वेज, वन इज सोलो एंड द अदर इज
Relay swim.
डैश फॉर्म ए रिले टीम।
6 swimmers.
द अदर स्विमर्स इन जानकी's टीम वर
Americans.
the name of the relay team in which Janaki was a member was
Janaki's Maritime Express.
Dash made Janaki feel sick.
The salty water of the channel.
Janaki swam for about days in the channel.
2 hours.
Janaki helped the relay team cross the 36-kilometer channel in days.
14 hours and 45 minutes.
Janaki is a dash in Bangalore.
Bank officer.
God help those who dash.
Help themselves.
Let's talk. आसो कथा हेबा. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Janaki was struck by polio at the age of 2.
False.
Janaki was the first woman to swim the English Channel.
False.
Janaki had begun training very hard before she attempted the channel swim.
True.
The Channel Swimming Association permitted Janaki to swim alone across the English Channel.
False.
All other members of the relay team were also handicapped like Janaki.
False.
Janaki's parents were worried about her when she was in the channel waters.
True.
The dream of Janaki was to swim the English Channel.
True.
Janaki wanted to prove that to be handicapped is no bar to success.
True.
Let's learn some new words. Use of negative prefix. नास्ति सूचक पूर्व प्रत्ययर व्यवहार. पिलामाने मूल शब्दर प्रथम इन ऑन इम मिस इत्यादि प्रिफिक्स लगा जाए अनेक विपरीत बा अपोजिट वर्ड्स गठित हुए. आस जानिबा. पॉसिबल संभव आई एम लगेले.
Impossible. असंभव.
प्रॉपर ठीक.
Improper. भूल.
एबल समर्थ.
Unable. असमर्थ.
एसेंशियल दरकारी.
Inessential. अदरकारी.
लीगल आईन.
Illegal. बेआईन.
मैनेज परिचालना करिबा.
Mismanage. कुपरिचालना.
रिकॉग्नाइज चिन्ह.
Derecognize. अचिन्ह.
मेक सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग. एट ए स्ट्रेस एकाधिक्रमे.
Raju can run 5 miles at a stretch.
लीव फॉर अभिमुखे जिबा.
The train leaves for Puri at 9 p.m. today.
इन स्पाइट ऑफ सत्य.
In spite of my illness, I went to school.
ए लॉट ऑफ बहुत.
Raju Babu has a lot of wealth.
कीप ए शार्प आई तीक्ष्ण दृष्टि रखिबा.
Keep a sharp eye on the child.
लेट्स लर्न ए लैंग्वेज. आस भाषा शिखिबा. यूज ऑफ कुड एंड बी एबल टू. मन रख अतीतर साधारण दक्षता क्षेत्र में पारिला थे कुड लगे. एग्जाम्पल इन माई चाइल्डहुड आई डेस रन भेरी फास्ट. आई कुड रन भेरी फास्ट. कारण देख यहाँ अतीतर पिलादिन घटना. इन माई चाइल्डहुड साधारण दक्षता जे मु शीघ्र दौड़ी पारुली तेणु ये पारिला अर्थ कुड लगेगा. व्हेन रिंकू वाज 16 ही डेस रन 100 meters in 10 seconds. एटार आंसर भी कुड हम. मन रख अतीतर परिस्थितिमूलक दक्षता क्षेत्र में पारिला अर्थ वाज एबल टू वर एबल टू लगे. द फायर स्प्रेड क्विकली बट एवरीवन डेस एस्केप वाज एबल टू. कहीं निआ द्रुत गति स्प्रेड कला किंतु समस्ते रक्षा पाईगले. यहाँ परिस्थितिमूलक दक्षता तेणु वाज एबल टू. ही वर्कड हार्ड सो ही डे सिक्योर गुड मार्क्स. वाज एबल टू से कठिन परिश्रम कला एणु अधिक मार्क रखिला तेणु परिस्थितिमूलक दक्षता. नाउ कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस विथ कुड कुड नॉट वाज और वेर एबल टू. द फायर स्प्रेड क्विकली बट एवरीवन डेस एस्केप.
Was able to.
He dash drive when he was 16 but he dash because he did not have a license.
Could. Second, could not.
They did not have any tomatoes in the first shop I went to but I dash get some in the next shop.
Was able to.
The boy fell into the river but fortunately we dash rescue him.
Were able to.
He had hurt his leg so he dash walk very slowly.
Was able to.
I looked everywhere for the book but I dash find it.
Could not.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍.
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରତି ରବିବାର ଦିନ 10ଟା ପରେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏକ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଧାରାବାହିକ ମୁଁ ହେବି ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର. ନୃତ୍ୟ, ଅଭିନୟ, ଚିତ୍ରାଙ୍କନ, ବୁଦ୍ଧିର ବିକାଶ ଓ ଆହୁରି ଅନେକ ଅନେକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ଭରପୁର. ଆମର ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଠ୍ୟକ୍ରମମାନ. ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ମାଇ ସାର୍ ବେଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍. ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଡାହାଣ ପଟରେ ଥିବା ଲୋଗୋ ଉପରେ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରି ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଓପନ୍ କରି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. ସମସ୍ତ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ ପାଇଁ ଆମ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ୍ ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା 8260186104.